All right, number 9, we're going to use translations to graph the given function. So we can see the parent is the square root function. Underneath the radical in the grouping symbol with x, separated from x though, this would represent h, and then outside at the back, this would represent k. So it says the parent function. We're going to select what the parent function looks like. So it's the basic bare bones with just the x would be the square root function. Part 2 says the graph of f is shifted 3 units, and since we see a plus, that means it's going to get shifted 3 units to the left. 3 units to the left, and 4 units downward since it's negative. All right, part 3 says we can plot several strategic points as outlined for the new curve. So the point 0, 0 of the graph corresponds to. So if you take the point that was on the graph and then we apply the shift to it. So if I go 3 left, so I say -3, and then I go 4 down, -4, the point 0, 0 would apply to this new point. And we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go -3 here, so that will give me a -2. And then I'm going to go -4, and that will give me a -3. So I'm just doing the math for the shift: -3, -4, left 3, down 4. Same thing here. I'm going to go left 3, so -3 from 4 will give us 1, and then -4 from 2 will give us a -2. So these points would coincide or correspond to points from the original function. And then we're going to make the transformation. So I'm going to click the transformation tool, and I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to go left 3 and down 4 and check it. And it gives me green, so it's all green. Number 10, we're going to do the reflection of the absolute value of x. So the absolute value being out front means we're going to change the sign of the y values. So reflection across y, reflection across x. So making the out front y negative, we're going to reflect across the x-axis. And that's the negative out front for the -a.